Hey, have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how can my brain even begin to understand something as massive as the universe? I mean, we're talking about billions of galaxies, black holes, and mysteries that make your head spin. Yet somehow, our minds are wired to tackle these cosmic puzzles. Today, we're diving into how our brains make sense of the universe's mind-blowing complexity. And trust me, it's wilder than you think. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's get cosmic. So, how does a 3-pound brain wrapped in your skull even start to grasp something as vast as the cosmos? Let's break it down into 3 big ideas: pattern recognition, imagination, and the tools we've built to extend our minds. First up, our brains are obsessed with finding patterns. Think about it. Thousands of years ago, ancient humans looked up at the stars and saw constellations, stories in the sky like Orion or the Big Dipper. That's not just random. It's our brains wiring to connect dots and make sense of chaos. This pattern-seeking superpower helps us understand the universe today. Scientists notice repeating cycles, like how planets orbit stars or how galaxies spiral, and use those patterns to predict cosmic events. For example, when astronomers found wobbles in starlight, they figured out it was caused by planets orbiting distant stars. That's our brain taking a tiny clue and unlocking a massive discovery. But here's the crazy part. Our brains can sometimes trick us. Ever heard of pareidolia? It's when you see a face on Mars or a bunny in a cloud. That's our pattern-loving brain going overboard, but it's also what pushes us to ask big questions about the cosmos. Now, let's talk about imagination, our brain's ability to dream up what we can't see. The universe is so big, we can't just observe it all, so we use our minds to fill in the gaps. Take Albert Einstein. He didn't have a spaceship to test his theory of relativity. Instead, he imagined writing a beam of light. That thought experiment changed how we understand time and space. Our imagination also lets us explore ideas like parallel universes or what's inside a black hole. Sci-fi movies like Interstellar or Star Trek aren't just fun, they're our brains playing with cosmic possibilities. And guess what? Some of those wild ideas, like wormholes, are now being studied by real physicists. So when you're daydreaming about aliens or time travel, you're not just zoning out. You're using the same mental muscle that scientists use to unlock the universe's secrets. Okay, let's be real. Our brains are awesome, but they have limits. The universe is too big, too far, and too weird for us to figure out on our own. That's where our tools come in, like telescopes, supercomputers, and even AI. Think of the James Webb Space Telescope. It's like giving our eyes a superpower to see galaxies 13 billion light-years away. Or take AI. Scientists use it to crunch massive amounts of data, like mapping the universe's dark matter. These tools are extensions of our brains helping us see, think, and understand way beyond what we could do alone. Here's a cool example. In 2019, scientists used a global network of telescopes to snap the first ever picture of a black hole. That fuzzy orange donut, it wasn't just a photo, it was our brains plus technology cracking a cosmic mystery we couldn't even see with our eyes. So, how do our minds grasp the universe? By spotting patterns, dreaming big, and building tools that take us beyond our limits. The crazy part? We're just getting started. Every new discovery raises more questions, and your brain, yeah, yours, is part of this cosmic journey. What's a universe mystery you're curious about? Black holes? Alien life? Drop it in the comments and let's geek out together. If you love this dive into the cosmos, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the